Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into question number 2, bit 9 of exercise 1.4 from the chapter called Real Numbers. So let's see what exactly we have in question number 2, bit 9. So coming to the question number 2, here it is given that we need to find the decimal expansion of the real numbers that are terminating in question number 1 and the number here is like 35 by 50. So that means we are going to expand 35 by 50 and see what exactly we are going to get in the decimal places. This is what the question says. Now let's see how we can solve this question. So coming to the solution, we are going to calculate here the decimal expansion of the below given rational number, and we know the number from the question is like 35 by 50. So while examining this number in question number 1, we very well knew that this number is a terminating rational number, and as a result its denominator is of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. Guys, if we look back to question number 1 and bit 8, there what we did is like we proved that this number is a rational number. So if a rational number and it is a terminating number, so if a rational number is terminating, definitely its denominator would have been in the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So this is what we should keep in mind now. And now moving further, these type of numbers are very easy to solve as the denominator will be of the form 10, that means 2 into 5 and its multiples. So if we divide or multiply any number with 10 or its multiples, we can verbally tell its result. That means like we already know that its denominator would be of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. That means the denominator would definitely be of the form 10 and its multiples. And guys, we very well know that if we multiply 10 with any number or we divide 10 with any number, it's very easy to calculate. That means if I say 4 divided by 10, we are getting 0.4, or 5 divided by 100, we are getting 0.05. So verbally we can tell without doing any calculations. So this is what going to happen with this number 2. Now let's see. Now let us find the factors of the denominator 50. Here the denominator is 50. So let's find out the factors. So coming to factors, 50 is divisible by the least prime number, that is 2. So dividing 50 with 2, we are getting 25. Now 25 is divisible with the least prime number 5. So dividing 25 with 5, we are getting 5. Now 5 is divisible by itself 5. So we are getting 1. Now here our factorization stops, and we can write 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. Or I can say 50 is equal to 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2. Or we can say that 35 by 50 is equal to 35 by 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2. Now guys, here our main intention is to make our denominator 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 2. So if we look here in the denominator, we have 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the 2. So let's make 2 to the power 1 to 2 to the power 2. So for that purpose, we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So if we multiply, like 2 means 2 to the power 1, another 2 to the power 1 in the numerator and 2 to the power 1 in the denominator. So after calculation, it will become 2 to the power 2 in the denominator. So that this is what our intention. So now multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. And guys, if we multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator, it will have no effect. So this is what we are going to do now. After multiplying 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, we are getting 35 into 2 by 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Or we can say, after further solving this equation, we can say 70 by 10 to the power 2. That means multiplying 35 into 2, we are getting 70, and in the denominator we are getting 10 to the power 2. That means 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, which is nothing but 10 to the power 2. Now guys, we can write further this one as 70 by 100. That means 10 to the power 2 is nothing but 10 into 10, which is 100. So guys, looking at this number, we can now easily say that it is 0.7. Hence, the decimal expansion of 35 by 50 is 0.7. Hope guys you understood this calculation. And if you directly divide 35 by 50 also, we'll get 0.7. So if you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.